Class 10 Maths, we have done exercise 3.2 of chapter 3, pair of linear simultaneous equation in two variables. In exercise 3.3, we are starting from the very beginning. Question number 1 is here. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. In 3.2, we have seen graphical method for solution of equation. Here comes substitution method, then elimination method, method of cross multiplication, comparison method. So many methods are there. Though generally in board exam, method is not mentioned for solving the simultaneous equations, but you must know all the methods, because in different types of sums, a particular method makes the sum easier. So here is substitution method. So its first part is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Though it can be solved by elimination, method of elimination very easily, but as substitution method is directed, I shall do here by substitution method. Here we shall find any one of the variable from one and will substitute in second. So from first y is equal to 14 minus x. From first equation. And this value of y is substituted in second. Substituting y is equal to 14 minus x in equation second, we get x minus 14 minus x is equal to 4, which implies x minus 14 plus x is equal to 4, which implies 2x is equal to 14 will go in right side and will be positive. This implies 2x is equal to 18, which implies x is equal to 18 by 2, that is 9. Thus value of x comes 9. It is substitution method. Value of one variable, either x or y, is substituted in another equation. Better you substitute y, which is independent variable. I have many times explained what is difference between dependent and independent variable. X is independent variable, y is dependent. So x comes 9 here, then by substituting value of x in 1 or 2 as you like, value of y will also come. So here I have less space, so I am doing here substituting x is equal to 9 in equation first, we get, you can write I get anyway. So it is 9 plus y is equal to 14, which implies y is equal to 9 will go in that side and will be minus, which implies y is equal to 5. Therefore from this method we have x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. This is solution of the equation. This is also. This method is known as substitution substitution method. Substitution because value of one variable is obtained from one equation and it is substituted in the other. It is put in the other equation. That's why its name is method of substitution. Okay, so it's very easy. Now I am doing another part of this question 1. I am taking a bit harder equation. So let us take this one second part. Say here are in total here are 6 parts. One I did, second I am doing. So I am doing fourth part of question 1. Fourth part. Equation is given in fraction. No, in decimal. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Substitution will be done here. These two equations are given. So from equation 1 we have 0.3y is equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x. Therefore y is equal to 1.3 minus 0.2x upon 0.3. On simplification, it will give 30 minus 2x upon 3. What I did, I multiplied 10 in both numerator and denominator. This is value of y obtained from first equation. Now I shall substitute it in second. Substituting value of y in equation 2. We have you can write I have 0.4x plus 0.5 and y is 13 minus 2x upon 3 is equal to 2.3, which implies 0.4x plus here 0.5 is multiplied, it becomes 6.5 minus 5 into 2 is 1x upon 3 is equal to 2.3. Here we shall take LCM. LCM is 3, so it is 1.2x plus 6.5 minus x is equal to 2.3. Now I have this space. Oh, in left hand side I have this space because in right I have no space. So let us do it here. In left we have much space here. So from here 1.2x minus x is 0.2x plus 6.5 is equal to 2.3 3 into 3, that is 6.9, which implies 0.2x is equal to 6.9 minus 6.5, that is 0.4, which gives x is equal to 0.4 upon 0.2, decimal is equal to 2 to the 4. So x comes to 2. Now value of x will be substituted in first or second, or here we have calculated the value of y in terms of x. Therefore y is equal to, substituting in equation first, we get x is equal to 2 is substituted in equation 2, by x is equal to 2 by substituting x is equal to 2 is substituted, please remember it, this word, in equation 1 we get, here is 13 minus 2x, 13 minus 2x means 2 into 2 upon 3, so it is 13 minus 4, that is 9 by 3, so y comes 3, thus x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is solution of this equation. It is fourth part. Similarly 6 parts are given here. Students, you have to obtain value of one variable, in most cases y, and substitute in second. You will get value of first variable x. Then by substituting in relation obtained from first equation or in first equation directly, you will get the value of second variable. This is the case. So I did first, I did fourth. I am doing one more part, that is sixth part, for your convenience, and try to understand it properly and do. So here sixth part of question 1 is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, x by 3 minus y by 2, it is plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. These two equations are given and we have to solve by substitution method. See here, from equation 1 we have minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2 minus 3x by 2, it is 3, which implies minus 5y by 3. Everywhere is minus, so let us make it plus. This implies 5y by 3. LCM is 2 here, so 4 plus 3x by 2, which implies y is equal to 3 goes up, becomes 12 plus 9x upon 5 to the 10. We get y is equal to 12 plus 9x by 10. When this value is substituted in second, let us do here this way. Substituting the value of y in equation 2, we x by 3 plus y by 2, that is 12 plus 9x by 2 into 10 is equal to 13 by 6. This way it is x by 3 is equal to 13 by 6 minus 12 plus 9x by 20. Here LCM will be LCM of 6 and 20 is 60. 10 is 130 minus 23 so it is 36 and minus 27x by 60, which implies x 60x cross multiply 60x is equal to 3 130 390 minus 108 minus 81x, which implies 81 will come here. It will be 141x is equal to 390 minus 108 gives 282, by which x comes to. So see, the sum looks difficult one, but the coefficients are given in such a way that it becomes very simple. Now substituting the value of x, substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 2, not in 2, in here. In equation 1, we have y is equal to 12 plus 9 into 2 upon 10, that is 12 plus 18, that is 30 by 10, which is 3. Therefore x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the solution of this simultaneous equation by the given substitution method. That is, students, I have shown you the method of substitution. So let us stop our video here.